Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back. My name, of course, is DM Rhino, and welcome to another how-to video. Today, we're going to look at how to make a legacy paladin. Remember, if you like this video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, hit the notifications, all those wonderful things. Let's get started, right? Let's go back into our character creation on D&D Beyond, and we're going to go into our standard array, and we're just going to look at how to make a paladin. So let's put a leg Paladin. I think Paladins are really great classes to make. We're going to make him over here. Let's go over here to this guy. We're going to go over here to this here, and we're going to just click all these little off. We don't need these things. We don't need, and we're going to just take off incumbents. Right. Perfect. Now, why do we make a paladin? Because why do we make a legacy paladin? It's because a lot of the old 5e books still use legacy characters, and 5e is still fun. Like, remember, legacy is 5e now, so 5e is very much fun to still play. So we're going to carry on playing this. Let's have a look at our paladin. There we go. We click on the paladin class, and they use their strength and their charisma. They're charisma-based characters, so we're going to start off with that, and we're going to go to our level 3, because most campaigns begin on level 3. What skills? Well, I want athletics because that's a strength-based skill, and I want persuasion or religion. Yeah, persuasion because it's a charisma-based skill. What fighting style would I recommend if you're playing your first paladin? Uh, let's go with protection. I like protection. You see another creature, you can protect them, stuff like that. So it's really good. You can pose disadvantage. And what is my sacred oath? What do I believe in as my holy knight? Well, we've got 3 of them over here. I wouldn't recommend Oathbreaker because that's more for advanced players. Let's just go with our good old Ancients. Oath of Ancients, right? Very much you get to Oath of Ancients, old races, elves such as druids, knights, green knights. So yeah, it's pretty fun to have an Oath of Ancients. They get a bit more armor, and it's quite fun. And you get Nature's Wrath as your primary, as your channel divinity. So yeah, that's really, really cool. So yeah, let's pick Oath of Ancients. What kind of background would we choose? Well, as a paladin, as a knight, kind of obvious, right? Let's go with knight or noble, knight or noble. But I'm gonna go with knight because it's kind of obvious for a paladin to be a knight. We get to pick another skill. I think intimidation is a fun skill to pick. Let's pick some dice for his tools. And a language as a knight, let's make him learn Celestial. Seems appropriate, right? And then we pick our personality again. Let's roll our 2d8s. We've got an 8 and a 2. Yeah. And then we've got 3d6. So 1, 2, 3, d6. Da 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 da. 5, 2, and 6. So let's go 5, 2, 6. There we go. Ah, good. All right. Now we want to pick our species. Now, this is always the interesting thing because usually we don't really get a species that does the whole strength and charisma. We could have a look at our Asimar, of course. Asimars do get dark vision and everything, but they don't really get they get wisdom and charisma, which is good, but we really want strength and charisma, right? And if we look at our Dragonborn, interesting to play a Dragonborn. Yeah. Dragonborn would get a +2 on strength and charisma. So we haven't picked a Dragonborn for a legacy character. I don't think so. So let's pick our Dragonborn. Pick the dragon. And then we get to pick, of course, dragon ancestry. What kind of things do we want to pick? Okay, let's just roll. I think we have picked one here before, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's roll a d10 just to make it all D&D like. We got a 3, so a brass dragon, a fire dragon. Yeah, let's pick brass. There. Good. Excellent. Okay. Now, ability scores, let's go with points to buy this time. Again, I've done all of these just to show you how you can do them. The points to buy, you get allocated points. You can even them out. I always start off with even out, but you can allocate them any way you want to. But remember that we we're looking for our strength and charisma. That's the two things we want to look for the most. So already our strength is 12 because we got the Dragonborn increases it by 2, and our charisma is 11. So let's put the charisma to 11 to make it 12. And if we want, let's make our strength 16. And let's boost our charisma maybe to, we can also put it to 16 if we want. But I'm going to put it to 13 so we get a 14 because I want to even some of this out. So I do want to make him kind of, I want to make him kind of beefy. So I'm going to give him a plus 14 on Constitution. And then I'll put the rest in Dex. Yeah, I don't mind him being 10 and 10. Yeah, I think this works out quite well for my Paladin. All right. Doesn't look like a Dragonborn, but hey, what can we do? I'm going to give him a martial weapon. He's going to have just a longsword, it's fine. He's going to have a simple weapon. Again, he's going to be more weapons. Let's give him a light hammer. Yeah, and let's give him a priest's pack, and let's give him a emblem. Yeah, why not, right? All these things. Add everything to this. And then we're going to have a look, and we're going to wear our chainmail, our longsword, and our shield. There we go. Perfect. All right. Then we're going to view the character sheet. As always, right? Why not? So let's see over here. And there, look at our Paladins. Got an 18 AC, which is good. Got no minuses, which is also good. We got our breath weapon. We got a disadvantage on stealth. That's because of our armor. Our breath weapon, our channel divinity, divine sense, all these great things, even lay on hands. And of course, we get our spells. Now, of course, we've got ensnaring strike and speak to animals with our oath of ancients, of course. But now we also have to pick some spells being a paladin. Now, what kind of spells would we pick? Well, let's start off with first level spells. Let's see, as a paladin, we don't get any real cantrips just yet, but let's just do what all paladins do, and let's just get smites, because smites are really fun, and most smites require a to hit anyway. So let's just go for our normal Searing Smite, Thunderous Smite, and Woeful Smite. All bonus action smites. As you can see, you could pick Bless, you could pick other ones, but we are creating a very hard-hitting paladin, and we can see Searing Smite, that does 5 damage, fire damage, I should say, d6 fire damage. Thunderous Smite does thunder damage, of course, and Wrathful Smite does psychic damage. Again, always good to have smites there, and we burn the spell slots to cast them, of course, and there they are. So very cool to have a paladin. And while we are, that would be our reactions. But what if we had to give a feat for the paladin? Let's go to our feats and traits. If we had to give a feat, what feat would I choose for a paladin for the first time, right? Okay, so we look at our stats. We don't have any minuses on the stats, so I wouldn't have to worry about that. We could go with alert to give us +5 on initiative, being as our initiative is only +1 at the moment. Both of our charisma and dexterity at 16, they're even, so I don't think we would need anything to do anything to boost that. But maybe we would want to give, again, mobile would be a good one, increase our movement speed, especially because we do a lot of melee damage. Mobile, once you hit a creature with a melee attack, you don't provoke attacks of opportunities. So that could be good also. So there's quite a few that could be really good for your paladin. Even warcaster, tough, fieldmaster, these are all really good. But yeah, that's what I would say for our paladin. My name, of course, is DM Rhino. If you like this video, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a subscription, all these great things. Until I see you next time, have a wonderful day, and till the next video, cheers everyone. Bye.